Thanks for joining us. My name is Chip Obie, Safetec National Sales and Service Representative. Today we'll be demonstrating the chemical spill control solution, Acid Lock.
Safetec's Acid Lock Solidifier is for use on acidic fluids. Key points to remember: when the low pH solution turns pink then yellow, it is safely neutralized and solidified. Acid Lock is available individually in the Spill Leader Kit and the multi-purpose kit.
Step 1. Remember to always wear protective gear and exercise caution during cleanup. Step 2. We will begin by using our litmus paper to test the fluid and show the low pH level. Step 3. Flip open one side of the top and pour Safetec's Acid Lock onto the acidic fluid. Step 4. The fluid will then solidify and change color from pink to yellow when safely neutralized. Step 5. Finally, we will use our litmus paper again to test and show you the neutralized pH level of the fluid. You are now ready for cleanup. Remember to follow your facility removal and disposal guidelines. Safetec Chemical Spill Control Solutions. Easy to use, quick, and effective.
Contact Safetec for more information on chemical spill control solutions and other Safetec products by visiting safetec.com or calling toll-free 1-800-456-7077.